Load Google fonts using Swap, optimized DOM, improved asset loading, optimized CSS load, containers, font icons SVG, WebP support in Elementor, lazy load added to carousels, resource hints for Google fonts. Stable and solid Flexbox Containers beta, page transitions, additional controls in the Posts widget, customize your nav menu. You're no longer restricted to the default icons in the video, image carousel and alert widgets. Introduces the first phase of the eagerly awaited loop builder. For posts, custom post types and WooCommerce products. Extends an advanced pop-up rule to give you more control. I said once a day. Create and customize the design of your purchase summary page. You can now style all your WooCommerce notices globally from within site settings. Control where they appear on your site. Have a few items to sell online, but don't want to set up an entire store? Try out the new Stripe button widget. Design custom templates for the empty cart state or for the dashboard tab in the My Account page. You can now choose to include the coupon field on the cart page, the checkout page, or both. We've added over 100 dynamic tag fields across 24 different widgets. 3 new query options in the Products widget. You can now choose to display related products, upsells, and even cross-sells. You can also turn any button into an Add to Cart link. This version also includes notes. Localize your editing environment. The number scrubber, the ability to define which WordPress screen you exit to from the editor. The Remove Kit button. The new Save as Default.